Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Dogecoin. We're back again. I covered Dogecoin yesterday, but there's so much going on, and it's one of the most interesting coins at this point of time, in my opinion, that I thought let's cover it again this beautiful Saturday. Which, by the way, want to wish you all a great weekend, first of all. And so far, Dogecoin is well, first of all, moving like we expected, right? I mean, what we said yesterday. Is that Dogecoin was very, very bullish. There was a lot of momentum coming in, which also distinguished Dogecoin from other major coins. Like a lot of major coins yesterday actually formed bearish divergences compared to Thursday. Thursday we had a lot of momentum. Then Friday, well, we still had momentum, but it was with less strength. It was with less volume. It was with less momentum. And for Dogecoin, that was not the case. Dogecoin yesterday actually had more momentum, pushed up higher, which is also what the main reason why we said, I think we can, or at least why I said, I think we can still get one more push up higher into that yearly rolling VWAP. And that seems to be happening right now. Yesterday, what I said is that from there, I do expect a rejection. So just wanted to talk about whether I still do expect that and what to expect after. Now, personally, I do feel the need to say this, but I still have a Dogecoin position open, which we bought in the signal group down here. So that means that I am biased to the upside. But you'll see in this video as well that I'm always realistic, even when I have an interest in the coin, right? I mean, I of course, I mean, I have Bitcoin positions all the time, right? So I am going to make videos about coins that I have positions in. But for now, let's get right into it. So first of all, what I wanted to speak about is the potential to break out above the yearly rolling VWAP, all right? It's a major resistance level, all right? This level right here at 26.5 cents right now is very strong. You have quite a lot of liquidity there, and you have the yearly rolling VWAP. It's going to take a lot of momentum to break through that. Do I think we're going to be able to break through that? If you remember from my video yesterday, the answer is yes. I think we can rally into 30 and 31 cents. But I think we need to also speak a little bit about the potential to break above that instantly right here. Right? I don't think it's most likely we will instantly break out without getting a pullback into this area right here. I would say around 22.5 cents. 22.5 cents is my favorite, or at least the main area I'm looking at for a pullback. That's where we have the previous point of control. But that's also where we have a fair value gap, and you can see on the 4-hour time frame that the 4-hour trend will also be there probably when we pull back. But right now, one of the main things that's pushing Dogecoin up, I think, is the potential ETF. I think when we're talking about ETFs, one of the ETFs that has not been priced in has to be Dogecoin. And I think some of that is happening right now, and that's also why we are getting this ridiculous momentum. I mean, the last time we had momentum like this was when we had, well, no, it's actually not true. The last time we had momentum like this was probably November 2024, in which we started a massive bull run. And therefore, a bull run like this, we also have the fundamentals supporting it, is a possibility. And I think you should be ready for it. However, I don't think it's most likely. All right, I am going to stick with my previous analysis, which is that I think we're going to move into the yearly rolling VWAP. I think then we're going to create a bearish divergence because we're not going to get up there with the same momentum as what we did the first time right here on Friday. And then we're going to pull back, like I said, into the level at 22.5 cents, 22 cents. And I think from there we can break above that and rally higher. All right, it's just, I guess what I'm trying to say is that Dogecoin at this point in time has a lot of momentum, and you should make the evaluation for yourself, right? I mean, this is something you have to think about. You have to always be very, very serious with your money. Whether you still want to get exposure to Dogecoin, perhaps even at these levels, when we think about this potential. And I think Dogecoin actually has a lot of potential. I think it's still quite hated right now, but not by me. So those are my thoughts. I think that's still what I think is most likely, but I will keep you updated on this, potentially with a daily update. So let me know if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.